Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant Bajra Dosa recipe. No fermentation, no rice or urad dal. Easy to make on those busy mornings and ideal as a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of bajra. Bajra is also known as pearl millet. It is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. Bajra helps to maintain good gut health. It's a rich source of insoluble fiber which works as a prebiotic in our gut. Bajra helps to manage diabetes. It's a good source of fiber, protein, magnesium, omega-3 fats, iron, phosphorus. The phytochemicals and polyphenols present in bajra have shown to have anti-cancer and anti-tumor properties. 2 tablespoons bengal gram, also known as kadala parippu in Malayalam. 1 teaspoon methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds. 4 to 5 whole red chilies. I'm using a small variety of red chilies. However, if you're using Kashmiri chilies, you can use 1 to 2 Kashmiri chilies or as per your taste. Add in some water. I'm rinsing it a couple of times until the water runs clear. Once rinsed, add in some more water and allow it to soak overnight or for at least 6 hours. Soaking time for millets needs to be slightly longer than you would normally soak rice, as millets contains phytates, which is a nutrient inhibitor and may cause digestive issues to some people. So always soak millets a little longer than you would normally soak rice. Since I'm making this for breakfast, I'm soaking it at night. And the next day morning, the bajra and the dals are nicely soaked. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then add it into my blender jar. Add in 1 cup of water. Always note that the water should be just above the ingredients. Half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. A sprig of curry leaves. 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. And blend this all really well into a dosha batter consistency. Pour the blended batter into a bowl. This is the consistency of the batter. The batter is neither too thick nor too thin, but is of pourable consistency. Now the best thing about this dosha batter is that you don't need to ferment it. You can straight away start making crispy doshas and the batter will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. So this is an ideal way to meal prep. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the tawa is greased, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 ladleful of the dosha batter and spread it out as thinly as possible into a round dosha. Drizzle in wood pressed sesame oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee instead. Cover and allow it to get cooked. About a minute later, open the lid and allow it to get lightly roasted. Once the dosha is crisp and roasted, carefully remove it from the tawa. There is no need to flip the dosha over as it is cooked covered. And my super healthy crispy bajra dosha is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any chutney, sambar or even pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy instant bajra dosha and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.